All right, well, thank y'all for tuning in the video today. Today you can see I am definitely not in Texas, y'all. I am in Branson, Missouri. Made the trip in the Raptor R and put the index suspension level on it and went with the 37. I had the Toyo RT Pros, but went ahead and decided to do the 37 1350 KM3, y'all, BFGoodrich, okay? Now y'all know I'm a Nitto and Toyo fan. I love those tires, but y'all, for these trucks, and even if I go back to my RHO, I went to the BFGoodrich KM3. I absolutely loved it. The RT Pro is a really good looking tire. It just didn't give me the same ride as the BFGoodrich KM3. So let me turn this around. I'm gonna show you all the KM3s on here and just talk about the road trip. All right, so as you can see, this is the KM3s. I did go with the 1350s, y'all, just because that's like my signature. I always try to do that. I like that little bit more width. And with the KMs, the BFGoodrich, they run a little smaller. The Toyo RT Pros were definitely a little bit taller. They were a true 37-inch tire, where these are like a 36.4, 36.5. Now, what I'm gonna tell you is, on the road trip here, these offered absolute best ride. And y'all, the index suspension, on top of that, truck drives and rides like stock, okay? Now, these tires are a little heavier. You have a little bit of power loss, but it's not significant, y'all. But index suspension top hats are in there, and I'm just really happy with the ride. So we've made almost 700 miles on this trip, and we're gonna do 700 miles home. And my wife was with me. She actually said this is probably the best riding truck that I've ever had. Now, when I put these KM3s on here, y'all, and the index suspension level, this thing is just, I mean, it's dialed in. It just rides like stock. I know these are a little heavier than the stock KO2s, but y'all, everybody says road noise. These KM3s don't make hardly any noise on the highway. So I don't know. I had them on my RHO, absolutely loved them. Index suspension top hat is definitely the way to go if you're looking to keep that stock ride. It's like 1.25 inches, y'all. You know, and I will say, even on my RHO, I put 3 different level kits on it. I went from 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches to a 2. Y'all, all of those went back to the 1.25 inches. It rode the best, okay? I don't know what it is on these trucks, but index suspension has got it figured out. You don't want to lose your factory ride, and you want that nice smooth, what you buy this truck for, right? I mean, you're buying this truck for that nice plush ride, and you're buying it for suspension capabilities. So don't go put anything else on it. Put index suspension on it. I'm gonna pop up here to the website, y'all. Guy is really knowledgeable if you want to give him a holler. And again, I want to thank y'all for watching the video. I'm going to post another video when we get home. I've got almost 2,200 miles on this truck to date, and absolutely love this truck, y'all. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.